I was thinking we should call our class project Fun Guys in a Forest. Get it? Because we're a group of fun guys and also fun guys. Shush! That's Elo Wagtail, and she's in distress. There, my little Montecilla flower. Oh, look at her go. Wow.
Out of the way, Top One. We're camping here.
Finally. Time to get that barbecue burning. Just need a bit more salt.
It's a new species.
What the bloody hell are those things?
Greetings. Huh? I'll be right down.
What are you guys?
We are sprites. We take care of the animals. Plants, birds, nuts, ladybugs.
Guys,
Small pieces of grass.
Guys?
They're for leaf and stone. You picked the wrong camping spot. Sprite them!
Salty little...
I'll give you that one, Brother Bird. All right, sprites, let's burn the bodies and have some peppermint tea.